Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mad Girl. Hi, I'm Disha Sapra and today I'm going to be showing you my clothing haul. Well, I shopped a bit recently because of Raksha Bandhan, but I couldn't show you guys my haul because I was a bit busy. But now I really want to share with you my shopping, so let's get started. So I went to Pacific Mall Subhash Nagar and I shopped a lot from there. So first of all, I'll show you my Splash shopping. Now the Splash is a really nice outlet in Pacific Mall. So yeah. First of all, I bought this jeans. This is a plain blue colored jeans from Splash's own brand. Plain blue color jeans. I bought it just for its price. It was just for $6.99 and really cheap, so I thought let's just get it. Then my favorite thing, I bought this denim shirt dress. It looks awesome on me and this was from Splash only. And from its back it is plain, but it has this brown belt. It was on 50% off, that's why I thought I want it. And on $16.50 I got it for $8.25. So now after this denim dress, I also shopped some more things from Splash. Now this is my actual Rakhi outfit which I wore on Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan, whatever you say. So this is the jeans which I wore. This fully rugged jeans. It looks so awesome on me and it's from Splash brand D&M and this was for $14.99 after discount, and I don't remember the exact discount price, but this was for $14.99. Then this top, this is also from Splash brand D&M. With these golden detailings going on. And this I got for $8.50 after discount of 40%, and I'm in love with this top. A little baggy one and really cute. Then I also shopped a bit from Lifestyle. I just bought a jeans from there. So this is the jeans. I don't know why I shopped so much for jeans this time, but it is a simple jeans with these white polka dots kind of design on it, and this is for $15.95. And this was a fresh and some brand Kraus jeans, and this ankle length. Also bought this bag from Spar or Roshan. It's controversial, whatever the name is, from Pacific Mall itself. This is American Tourister backpack or rather. I like these kind of bags because they have these broader straps and which are really easy to carry. I was actually really struggling with those shoulder bags. They give me back pain and shoulder pain. I was really not happy with that. So I thought let's just buy a normal, classy and simple backpack. So this is that from American Tourister, a black and grey bag, and this was for $13.90. I got it on MRP, and also I got 1 year warranty. So yeah, and then that's it for Pacific Mall. Then I got this really cute t-shirt. This is from pungraffiti.com. Now this site is really good. I got this online and this site is really good. They have super cute t-shirts with quotes written on them, and here it's written Ja Simran Ji Le Apni Zindagi, and here there's a vodka bottle going on with the brand Simran off and vodka written here. So I love this t-shirt, and this was just for $4.50 and they give us free home delivery, so that's the best part. I think you should go and try It's really awesome. I will link the site down below if you guys want. And actually forgot one thing from Lifestyle. I bought this t-shirt for my brother. It was Raksha Bandhan, so I want to gift this time. I want to give something to my brother, and this t-shirt was the best thing which I could give him. So this is from brand UCLA Lifestyle, and this was a 450 after discount, after 50% of discount. Well, to pair this up, I thought let's just get a shirt, but from Lifestyle or from Pacific I didn't get a shirt of my budget, so I thought let's just go to any other place. So I went to Tilak Nagar. It's actually near my place, so I thought let's go there only. So from Goyal Sons, my brother usually buys his shirts from here, so I thought why not try this. So from Goyal Sons I bought this shirt to pair that t-shirt up. It has these denim sleeves, has a little bit of denim going on with white plain downwards, and this was for $17.65. I got it on 50%, around 900. So my brother actually liked this shirt and t-shirt alone, but not as a pair. He said my choice was really bad, and I think for boys I am not really able to choose good stuff. So, but I'm happy because he liked it alone. So yeah, actually he loved this shirt. He said I'll wear it on my freshers. Ah, that's so cute. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for my haul. This time I just shopped this much. Next time I'll show you more stuff. Do like my video. If you like all this stuff, comment down below please what was your favorite stuff, and do subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. Bye guys.